3-point turn, you can crank your wheel all the way to the right, all the way to the left, and then, or what is it? All the way to the left, all the way to the right, and then all the way to the left. It's only for the parallel parking that you do the just like one full turn.
I realized that when I did it.
Yeah, and then, but the biggest issue though is before you back up for your 3-point turn, make sure you check around first, and only reverse as little as you need to in order to go forward again. So signal, near, left blind spot, and keeping the car in motion. I just turn the wheels all the way to the right before the car stops. Signal, reverse, look around. Looks good. Little shot of gas, and before the car stops, crank it all the way to the left. Signal, and off we go. Because I noticed you're taking your foot off the gas, off the brake, and you're giving it a little bit too much gas and backing up too far. So just control your brake. They want to see that you have good due care and control of that brake and the steering and the gas and everything. So just reverse a little bit less, like a little bit less far. Yes. So that would be the incorrect vehicle position. That's 2. The wide right turn. That's 2. And these 2 things, your observation, looking around and backing up too far. That's 4. And so we'll add this one here. 4 and 4. That's 8, 10, and 2. So I start you off with 100 points and I take away points. You got an 88. You needed an 80 to pass. So you're there. Okay. You're there. Yeah. You just got to kind of clean up a little bit.
Okay.
Yep, that's all. So that's really good. You got an 88%. With them, they start you at 0 and they allow you 15 minor mistakes, which is 2 points each. So you want to keep your score at 30 or less, ideally 0.
Yeah.
But that gives you a large margin of error, though. You can make a lot of mistakes before they fail you. Most people fail because they've done something super dangerous or something illegal. What you did over there, turning out into LaSalle, wasn't illegal. You can turn right when there's other cars coming. In Toronto, you'd have to. There's always cars coming. You could sit there forever if you don't, right? But it's better to wait.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So, okay. So that's good, man. And we'll take off. So how was it without the music for you?
It was good, yeah.
Yeah, fine,
It's fine.
Okay.
I don't really like the music super loud. So
Yeah. Yeah, usually what I do with the music, I'll show you. The other way. Think about which way you want the back end. If you can get out into a parking lot and just do all of these little slow speed maneuvers, you should back it up.